Welcome, foolish mortals. I'm your host, 1000th Ghost, and here today to talk about a very cool crossover between Back to the Future and the Transformers, which both had 35th anniversaries this year. This was a GameStop exclusive. I did pick up two of them because I need to open one, so I had to open them. This is a review of it. To start with, I hate the packaging. The packaging is horrible. You have these weird... I don't know why they do that. I would assume this opening is supposed to be like the opening of the DeLorean, or the truck that's letting the DeLorean down in the beginning of the movie. But what it really does is it creates a flap that is easily torn. So when you open this, it does open, you know, like that from the movie. However, both mine were damaged slightly in shipping, but this one was damaged more, and it was damaged right along this line. It's got a tear in it, and it's got bends. It's got another tear up top and on here, and it just seems like that wasn't a good spot, good thing to do. I get what they were trying to do, but for kind of a really inside joke, it just didn't work out so hot. So, first of all, here's his spec, and he's a Gigawatt function time traveler. When you're never out of time when you're a time machine. When Marty and Doc Brown need a ride through time, Gigawatt is ready to fly. So, it is in classic G1 packaging, which is great. Love it. It does come with a large instruction booklet. I'm hoping I don't necessarily need this, but we'll see as I'm trying to put it together. I have a lot of problems with some new Transformers. I'm old, and I don't like ball joints on things because I have a tendency to turn them and break them. So the inside of the pack has this cool little design. And then the package itself, it's got the little stick that Doc puts into the back of the engine in order to let the lightning hit it, which of course has got these stupid, you know when tape used to be a thing that they'd put stuff together with. Now they got these stupid ties and everything on it, and oh yeah, well that's what scissors are for. So got these weird ties, but at least it's not the those plastic ties that are all over the Marvel Legends stuff. So he also has a gun, which has a back part that, oh, I see what that's for. Okay. Interesting. So he's got a gun. This bit pops off. That would be where the plutonium drops in. This is a Mr. Fusion. Oops, sorry. Mr. Fusion that pops onto the end of his gun. Interesting way to keep that in. So here he is. Very cool. It's a very great design. It's almost perfect. So first thing you have to do is open it up and take these bits off like this. Open it up. Then you open the doors. Ow. And turn it 90 degrees around. Okay. Then the legs can come down. That makes sense. These are feet, so that can't go like that. this go then? If these are feet. Oh, those are feet. Oh, okay. Well, that makes sense. I thought the boosters on the back were the feet. It's actually the feet are inside. There we go. Then you close the legs up, which allows you to push the engines down inside. Now, I forgot, I accidentally closed those. Then you pull the arms out. The head goes down. It is actually a pretty straightforward design. Oops. I don't know if I was supposed to do that. Anyway, the hands come out. Reminds me a lot of Blue Streak back in the day. Oops, I think I was supposed to do something here. Okay, and the wheels go down inside. Sort of. It's taking much longer than I thought it would. So if that goes like that, I'm going to figure out how to get the yeah. Okay. Well, this is supposed to flip up. The flux capacitor on his chest is supposed to come up and out. But I don't see. Ooh. I hear creaking. Ooh. Don't like that sound. Ooh. There we go. Jeez. Okay. There we go. That's better. Cool. So there he is. Could use a few stickers or something, actually. Be nice. He doesn't even have an Autobot symbol on him. Which, you know, doesn't necessarily need, but... So there he is. Pretty cool. It'd be cooler if he was die-cast metal, of course. But he would have been twice the price, I'm sure. So, that's Gigawatt. Back to the Future. GameStop exclusive. $29.99. And they seem to have had quite a few of these. I never actually saw them in my store. I had to actually pre-order it. And then I ordered another one online when they got here. Once I saw that box was kind of destroyed, I was like, well, I might as well open one. So, there he is. If you guys all got one, good luck. Talk to you later.